Let's learn Zulu words from the kitchen. Ekhishini. I'll say the word and you can repeat after me. Are you ready? Kitchen is ikhishi. Cup is inkomishi. Spoon is isipuni. Fork is imfoloko. Knife is umbese. Plate is ipuleti. Kettle is iketela. Stove is isitofu. Sink is usinki. And fridge is ifriji.